It's shameful that individuals who do not understand even the basic principle of budgeting processes are entrusted with chairing the key parliamentary committees such as Scope and Standing Committee of Finance. Such political illiteracy threatens the constitutional order and brings Parliament into disrepute. Faced with this institutional betrayal, the EFF had no choice but to intervene through the courts. On 26 April 2025, we filed supplementary court papers in the Western Cape High Court. On 27 April 2025, the court delivered a landmark ruling. 1. Setting aside the illegally adopted fiscal framework and revenue proposals. 2. Suspending the VAT increase scheduled for 1st May 2025. 3. Restoring constitutional order to Parliament's budgeting process. This ruling is not just a victory for the EFF, it is a victory for the people of South Africa. It is a victory for the rule of law. It is a victory for the poor and working class who would have suffered greatly under the VAT increase. It is important to emphasize the court judgment does not validate the sideshows and political chances that occurred outside Parliament by disparate parties seeking relevance. It is the EFF strategic, legal and parliamentary intervention that achieved this outcome and stopped the VAT increase. In light of this decisive judgment, the economic freedom fighters call for the immediate resignation of Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana and the National Treasury Director General Duncan Pieterse. These individuals have proven themselves incapable of formulating a lawful, credible and developmental budget. They have lost the confidence of the people of South Africa, and the business community should not trust them. It is the business community that has spent billions on changing their VAT system for nothing and should pursue any means necessary to hold the government accountable. South Africa now faces an urgent task. A credible third budget for the 2026 financial year must be tabled by no later than July 2025. The current government must either deliver a lawful budget within this time frame or accept that its failure to do so will trigger a constitutional crisis leading to its collapse and fresh elections. The EFF stands ready to engage meaningfully and table substantive proposals to ensure the new budget focuses on economic recovery, industrialization, mass employment, and the restoration of public service.